CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, Body and Face Moisturizer for Dry Skin. Body Cream with Hyaluronic Acid and Ceramides. Normal. Fragrance-free 19 ounces. Packages may vary. About this item. Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer, with hyaluronic acid, ceramides and MV technology for 24-hour hydration. Rich velvety texture that leaves skin feeling smooth. It is absorbed quickly for softened skin without greasy, sticky feel. Essential ceramides. Ceramides are found naturally in the skin and make up 50% of the lipids in the skin barrier. All CeraVe products are formulated with 3 essential ceramides 1,3,6,2 to help restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier. Please subscribe, like, share, comment this video. Dry skin relief. A deficiency of ceramides in skin can often be associated with dry skin, which can feel itchy and look flaky. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream was shown to increase the skin's level of ceramides after 4 weeks. Dermatologist recommended. CeraVe skincare is developed with dermatologists and has products suitable for dry skin, sensitive skin, oily skin, acne-prone, and more. This skincare product comes with a lid seal. Gentle daily moisturizer for face and body, or can be used as a hand cream for dry skin relief. Holds National Eczema Association NE seal of acceptance. Fragrance-free, paraben-free, allergy-tested, and non-comedogenic. Amazon sales link. https://amazon/3z4mi5e or below. Updated Amazon sales link. Product description. Developed with dermatologists, CeraVe Moisturizing Cream has a unique formula that provides 24-hour hydration and helps restore the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides 1,3,6,2 and hyaluronic acid. This rich, non-greasy, fast-absorbing formula is ideal for sensitive skin on both the face and body, featuring our patented MV technology to release a steady stream of moisturizing ingredients throughout the day and night. Non-comedogenic. Fragrance-free. Oil-free. Hypoallergenic. Gentle, non-irritating formula. Suitable for sensitive skin. Key ingredients. MV technology. This patented delivery system continually releases moisturizing ingredients for 24-hour hydration. Ceramides, essential for healthy skin. Ceramides help restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier. Hyaluronic acid. This ingredient attracts hydration to the skin surface and helps the skin retain moisture. Directions. Apply liberally as often as needed or as directed by a physician. Avoid direct contact with eyes. If contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with water